Shares of Shopify are trading at $63.70, and they are down around 14% year to date. Zooming out on the chart, we can clearly see that this is on the rebound since its crash in early 2022, and we are going to see if this trend is set to continue. Well, for my December 2026 price projection, they are expected to have a revenue of $12.54 billion, which works out to a revenue per share of $9.74. Their current price to sales is 11.2, but I think realistically we could see that come down to around the 9 level by 2027. So if we multiply their revenue per share of $9.74 by 9, it would give us a share price of $87.67, which is a 38% upside. It looks like other analysts are bullish as well, with the average one-year price forecast looking at $76.69, which is about 20% higher than where the stock trades today, with a high estimate of 95 and a low of 63. And having that lowest analyst estimate be close to the current price of $63.70 is a very, very good sign. In terms of fundamentals, Shopify has beat all 4 of its last earnings calls. Their debt to equity is around 11%, which is good. They do not offer a dividend, but their year-over-year revenue growth does look good, and it looks like their quarterly net income is starting to trend up, even though it has been pretty inconsistent. And in terms of a qualitative analysis, I mean, the number of Shopify customers has been steadily growing, which is a good sign. Even as competition in the e-commerce space starts to heat up. Shopify was the 4th top e-commerce platform worldwide, actually. I'm pretty sure that's just e-commerce platforms. I think there were companies that did better than that, but they did more than just e-commerce platforms like Oracle, for instance. And Shopify's current market share, I think, is 10%, which is great. And most of the analyst estimates are really, really bullish. I mean, it's not a bad sign, and it's not a great indicator in itself, but it's clearly a crowd favorite. So overall, fundamentally, things are looking great for Shopify, even if it does have a high price to sales right now, and even if their net income is a bit sporadic, because both the valuation issue and the net income situation are largely mitigated by glowing revenue estimates. Analysts are expecting their revenue and their net income to go crazy. So for this reason, I rate Shopify stock a buy. Anyways, that's all I have for you today on ShopStock. Please drop a like, let me know what stocks you want me to cover next, and I will see you next video.